Still on Love Affairs on Nonif TV, I still remember my humble self at Biotun Olajumoke, your host, as you all know. Yes, right about now we're discussing a very serious, topic that most ladies, most guys out there don't take note of when embarking or when they are in a relationship. And I'm discussing about three characteristics of a pretender in the relationship. And the first thing I'll be talking about is they lack dishonesty. They are so dishonest. Like in every little statement they make, there won't be any outside of truth. If they tell you I'm going to Ibadan, they definitely just know they are going to Lokoja. If they tell you this is purple, after that back of the mind, this is black. So far so dishonest to the extent that you will catch them like this, you're very guarded. Maybe they're cheating or on their partner, and they'll still be like, no, it was not what you think. I can't. They'll still be giving you assurance upon lies. Some guys, some ladies out there, they can lie to the extent of, even you, their partner, you'll be like, I give up. I give up. Even if they tell you, maybe I'm coming to yours, you'll be like, okay, if you say so. Because you already know they are so full of lies and unfaithfulness, they're so dishonest. They are never honest in their life. As a matter of fact, even within their friends, they are so dishonest. Within their society, their community, they are so dishonest. Within their environments, some people, those kind of people, will be like, this one, Atulota, this one, we sell life for you. Exhibit it again. Sell it to another person. Some people are so convenient, comfortable, telling lies. When it comes to relationship, you're like, don't worry, I can go to extra mile. I can go to any length. I can do this, I can do that. At the end of the day, empty. You find everything empty. Empty promises from empty mouth. Empty vows. I promise to stay put in love, in sickness, in health. Before any challenge like this, you'll be like, I'm not born to suffer. I won't stay. That was really, if you remember in our previous video, I discussed about a particular man, a 40-year-old man, who left this country for Libya and returned home blind, all because he wanted a greener pasture for his family. And the wife, after giving birth to 3 kids for this man, said, no, it's better you go back to your family, and if you're not ready to go back, I will leave. And eventually she left. Definitely, while the husband was in Libya, she was seeing another person. Because I wonder how she will be able to make that kind of move so fast without even trying to even care for this, but even if it's just for a little period of time. That is it. And the second one, I know you guys will agree with me on this. They live fake life. Pretenders relationship. They live fake life. Even their dressing, you know they are living. By their dressing, you shall know them. By the words of their mouths, you shall know them. But even by their walking step, you shall know them. You will see them. They are the most dressed, the way they will package the way they will dress, even from their sneakers to their shirts, to their trousers, to that, this one, I've arrived. But at the end of the day, fake. Fake people everywhere. That's when they will start boasting, I am this, I am that, I can do this, I can do that. At the end of the day, you find them, empty barrel makes the loudest noise. That is the exact case. People living fake life. They live fake life. That is when you start seeing them. They will start coming gradually, babe. I need 10,000. I have a particular consignment. I want to get a particular consignment. Once I get that consignment, I will double it for you. I will do this. They are parasite people. Living fake life again. Today 10,000. So, baby, I've not. Baby, I've about to consignment. Don't be thanking God for me. I was duped. You know, those kind of people. What will it take you? Ah, babe, I'm jobless. A lady will love you even if you're jobless. If God has destined you guys to be together, she will surely get married to you. What if, in the process of you guys coming together, God makes a way for you? Why must you live a fake life? Why must you prove what you're not? Some people go to the extent of saying, I'm a CEO. CEO of which company? You don't even have a stand. You know what a stand is now? Like just a kiosk or a cubicle where you can. They don't have. They don't. Another fact, their normal routine is to wake up, eat, sleep. That's the if they have what they will eat. And they will come all dressed up like onions. You know onion bulbs now? The way it swells up once it's germinated already. That is where some of them dress. They kit up so well. Ah, babe, how was the day? Get me something to drink. At the end of the day, if you find out, if you make my inquiries very well, you will find out that they are nothing. I don't know why people live a fake life. You proving what they are not. That is the second characteristic of a pretender. And the last one, they are deceitful. They are so deceitful. They are so deceitful. Do you know why? Hey, it's dishonesty and being deceitful. They are brothers and sisters. They go together. They go hand in hand. Yes, they go hand in hand. Because when the guy is deceitful, he will paint everything as truth for you. He will frame truth for you. He will frame lies for you as something, as truth. They are so deceitful. Anything they say, please don't believe. Don't believe. Those are the characteristics of pretenders in a relationship. So to freshers in relationship out there, be careful. If your guy or your lady is exhibiting these three characteristics, just know she's pretending. She does not love you. He or she is a parasite. You know parasite now? They are host already. They've come to feed on another host. And they keep on feeding from host to host. Keep on feeding from host to host. That is it. So that is it on this segment. We are moving on to another segment. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.